Before we start working with ChatGPT, you must understand its interface. So first of all, you can see here a new chat option. So whenever you want to start a new chat with ChatGPT, you can use this feature. OK. And if you want to see the history, you can see here a list of all the things you have searched previously. OK, now here you can see upgrade to Plus plan. So how it is different from free plan? Right now I am using a free plan. OK, so if you upgrade to the Plus plan, you have to pay $20 per month. OK. And for that you will get ChatGPT available even when demand is high, right? You will get faster response speed and priority access to new features. OK, but for now I will proceed with the free plan. Then here you can see the help and recently asked OK, frequently asked question and answers. See. OK. So then you have clear conversations. If you want to delete the things, delete your conversations, you can do that. Then you have settings and logout options. So if you go to settings, you can see the general settings like clearing chats and selecting the theme. If whether you want a dark theme or light theme, OK. Now the default is system. Then you have data controls, OK. You can read them if you want. You can also enable two-factor authentication. You can delete your account. You can export the data. Now here you can see some of the examples that how you can ask questions to ChatGPT. So if you select any one right and hit enter, ChatGPT will start answering to it. OK. So these are some of the examples. Then we have the capabilities of ChatGPT, that what ChatGPT can do, right? So it remembers what user said earlier in the conversation. It allows users to provide follow-up corrections, and it is trained to decline inappropriate requests. So if you ask any malicious thing, ChatGPT will not going to respond to it. OK. Now ChatGPT will also have some limitations, like it may occasionally generate incorrect information. After all, it is an AI and it may occasionally produce harmful instructions. OK, so it is not a good idea to blindly trust ChatGPT. Then it has limited knowledge of world and events after 2021 because it was last updated in 2021. OK, so let me give you an example. If we ask ChatGPT versus Google Bard, who is better? See, it says if you are referring to another AI model developed by Google that I am not aware of, please let me know. OK, so it is the limitation of ChatGPT. See, it says it is important to note that the latest information on ChatGPT I have is from 2021. Right. So if you ask anything later to that, it will not going to answer it, or it will answer inappropriately. OK. The instructions it provide will not be correct if you are asking something after 2021. Right. So it is the limitation of ChatGPT.